talk about the picture. Listen and read. Saikat Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. But in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Saikat's mother is Mrs. Monora Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Saikat is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English, so he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Pair work. Ask and answer questions.
1. What is Saikat's father's name? 2. What is Saikat's mother's name? 3. What do his parents do in their free time? 4. What does Saikat do in his free time? 5. What kind of books does Saikat like? 1. What is Saikat's father's name? Saikat's father's name is Rashidul Islam. 2. What is Saikat's mother's name? Saikat's mother's name is Monwara Islam. 3. What do his parents do in their free time? Saikat's father writes stories and listens to music in his free time, and Saikat's mother makes dresses in her free time. 4. What does Saikat do in his free time? Saikat watches cartoons and reads English books in his free time. 5. What kind of books does Saikat like? Saikat likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions.
Choose the correct answer from the 3 choices given.
1. Saikat lives in an apartment in Bogura without his parents. No. 2. Saikat loves to go to school. Not given. 3. Mr. Islam loves listening to music and does not like writing stories. No. 4. Saikat watches cartoons on TV and reads English storybooks every day to learn English. Yes. 5. Monwara Islam loves visiting her mother in the weekends with her family. Not given.